So I often get questions about what is the best kind of liposuction out there. And that's a difficult question to answer because right now there's so many different names and acronyms out there that there's no good way of knowing what is what. But I like to kind of simplify it for everybody. There are different techniques you can use for liposuction, and those are all the little acronyms out there, like, safe or water or whatever. And there are ones that are actually related to the technology being used, like power assisted, Vaser, laser assisted. So you have to separate those two. I can come up with my own technique and put a fancy acronym behind it, but use a standard technology that everyone else is using. So when it comes to liposuction, you have to first recognize that. And today I want to talk to you about the technology. The technologies out there vary, and you can use standard liposuction cannulas, which have a long shaft and a couple holes at the end, and that helps the surgeon suck out the fat. Now, sometimes that can be attached to a handpiece, and that handpiece is called a power assisted system, and that actually helps the cannula go in and out very quickly and decreases the workload for the surgeon and allows you to be a little bit more aggressive and faster with your suction. There's also energy assisted systems such as Vaser, which uses ultrasound, helps break down scar tissue and maybe get some skin tightening at the same time. There's laser assisted, which also can give you some skin tightening and reduce blood loss. So those systems can be helpful in certain situations. We have a laser assisted system in our office called Beautiful. It's wonderful for both in-office and OR-based liposuction procedures where you get excellent quality fat for fat transfers to the face or the body. So for that reason, I really like that system. But I also use a power assisted system for certain situations and sometimes a Vaser for other situations. So it's really important to know the technologies out there, and some of them are best geared towards certain issues.